Oh hey, Paul from Mooch Exterior Designs here. Let me just turn off my hose real quick. Alright. We're here doing video number 2 on timed irrigation. It's now August, the dog days of summer, and irrigation is very important in making sure that your plants thrive and don't just survive through these hot summer months. As you and I both know, the way that we all irrigate is we come home and we say, oh no, I forgot to water, and then you water this plant really well, and then you water this plant okay, and then you're getting bored with it, so you put not much water on this plant, and then you kind of go like this for your last 4 plants, and then you call it done. Because we all have busy lives, I'm going to teach you guys how to make plants get irrigated on a timed system, which makes them healthy, happy, and allows you to enjoy time in your yard instead of the obligation of spending time in your yard. So I'm going to turn this water off and talk to you about the irrigation timer. So the concept with timed irrigation is that your plants get either terranean or subterranean water, which makes them healthy. You always want to water your plants at the roots, not on the leaves or on the trunks, because that's bad for the plant. So in this yard we have a irrigation system already set up, but in your yard consider container gardens or in-plant gardens, in-ground gardens. We want to have a timed system, and it's not that complicated with this system right here. This is a particular brand name, but you can use various brand names. And what this is it's a timed irrigation controller that you plug into your hose bib, and then you put batteries in it, and it goes off automatically. You're going to need to invest about 15 minutes in reading the manual, which I know for some people may be challenging, but I would encourage you to do that. What's your time worth, right? 15 minutes watering your yard 3 times a week, that's an hour, give or take. This thing will take care of it all for you, so when you're out in your yard, you get to deadhead and be with the flowers, and you don't have to do obligatory watering. So let's go over to the hose bib and I'll show you how it works. What you do is you take your hose, in this case, and I don't recommend using a hose for this system, because at the other end, when it comes out, you're going to need a mechanism to hit all of your plants. So what we recommend is this 1/2-inch irrigation line, which you can't really see in the video. Maybe this corner is a better angle of it right here. And we're going to give you a complete material list at the end of this video. But the basic concept is that you want the timer connected to the hose bib. It's always good to use a rubber gasket in here too, by the way, although I don't have one at the moment. So you put your timer in, and then you put your irrigation mechanism, in this case I'm using a hose as an example, onto the bottom, and then you set your timer. Generally, the way that you want to water is a slow drip on all of your plants for something in the neighborhood of 3 to 5 minutes, depending on the type of head that you use. And you set your timer. In my opinion, and some will argue, it's always best to water in the morning, maybe 6 or 7 a.m. You get all your roots watered, and then the plant thrives throughout the day. You set your timer to water maybe 3 days a week for 3 to 5 minutes, and your plants will stay happy and thrive, versus the wilting plants that you come home to after a long day at work and that you have to run out and manually water. So again, it's that simple. Buy the mechanism, which is a timed irrigation hose bib timer, read the instructions, set the timer up, look for the materials list at the end of this video, where we'll show you how to run drip irrigation, soaker hoses, various methods of displacing this water, and you have timed irrigation. Simple, easy, your plant investment is protected, and you're sitting back drinking a cold drink while this mechanism does all the work for you. Mooch Exterior Designs, Landscaping, San Diego, California. Have a great week.